Hello and welcome to another video. Glad you're joining me here in my diecast room in Bavaria in Germany. Today we have some models from Mini GT we are going to take a look at. So let's start with a quick overview. We have two Porsches, we have two Lancias, and then we have one Nissan Skyline GTR, and I would say let's get right into it. And let's start with this one here, Porsche 911 GT2 RS Weissach package, now in black, number 401. And while I open the package, for all of you guys that are not familiar with the brand Mini GT, these models do come with a metal body, metal base, rubber tires, a lot of details, and normally, and that yes, special about Mini GT, they do roll very well. Many of these die-cast cars, or the, let's say, die-cast cars that are more for display, they don't roll too good. But now let's take a look at the Porsche 911 GT2 RS, now in black. The version with the so-called Weissach package. So let's take a close look. As you can see, we got a lot of details in carbon fiber here on the hood, on the roof, also the wing. Got some very, very nice wheels. And yeah, look at all these details. Look at the wing. This is Porsche. And if you take a close look here on the rear window, it's saying, I think it's RS. Then we do see the roll cage inside of the car. We do have lensed taillights, lensed headlights, a Porsche badge on the hood. Very, very nice and detailed model. Now, let's do a quick check if this one is a roller. Yeah, not rolling too good, but now let's do a little comparison with some other Porsche 911 GT2 RS with the Weissach package. I think now with the black version I do have all of them. So now here are three versions. There's also a silver version that you can see in the back. And yeah, I think they are very, very cool. Beautiful car and a really nicely done die-cast model. Yeah, so first one, very, very good. And as always, or let's say most of the time, we don't have any quality issues on this Mini GT. Yeah, what I did forget to show you, I mean, take a close look at the wheels. I hope you can see that. We do have different wheels. I mean, these are details that you get from Mini GT. Now let's put the black Porsche to the side, and I would say let's go on with another Porsche, which is this one here. Focus. The 911 Targa 4S Heritage Design Edition in cherry red. So yeah, let's open this one up. Oops. you can see, they do come with this plastic piece, and you can always store your Mini GT back into the packaging. Number 461, by the way. Oh, this one's looking really good. Let's bring the camera down. Yeah, looking very, very good. I love the cherry red. And yeah, take a close look at the interior. We got some cream leather, and look at, I think it's hard to see from this perspective. Let's try to focus. I mean, look at the steering wheel. And also the gauges are done up. Really, really nice. So I also got another version of this one, which is this guy here. I think the white version was the first Mini GT version of this car. Look at the different wheels. Really, really nice. But I'm really, really impressed what the interior looks like. For 1/64th scale, in my opinion, really good. Also really do like these 5-spoke rims, looking very good. Now let's check if this one is a roller. Yeah. Very nice. Into the parking lot. Let's put it back a little. So, I would say let's go on with this one here. Lancia Delta HF Integrale Evoluzione, number 3, 1992, Rally 1000 Lakes winner, number 322. So let's get it out. Oops. Wow. So cool. I mean, yeah. Mini GT, I mean, they know what they are doing, and yeah, this one's also very, very cool. I mean, I love this boxy design of this car, 80s style, and look at all this deco. How crisp it is. The lettering on top of the windshield, here on the wing, all the stuff on the back. We got a license plate. And look at these rims, and then look inside. You can see the roll cage, and there's also, you can see it from this side. How's it? A spare tire. Really, really cool. This is the second version, in my opinion, of this Lancia. The first version was this one here, that didn't have so much deco on it. Also very nice, but yeah, I think the one that has more deco on it is looking much better. Yeah, I'm really impressed. Really nice. And by the way, I think there is also a weathered version of, I think of this one is kind. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, I think I will also get this one. Let's do a quick check if our Lancia is rolling. Yes. Really nice. The third model without any flaws. Really, really cool. So now let's go on with the next Lancia, which is the Lancia Stratos HF number 1, 1977 Rally MonteCarlo winner. I would say, I mean, I'm not an expert for rally cars, but I think this is one of the most iconic cars, and this design is very special. Here we go. Yeah, very cool. Love the colors, nice color scheme. So we have, yeah, let's say the Italian. Are these the Italian colors? Yes, they are. Here it says Alitalia, the airline. Very nice. Also these lights here in the front. The yellow 5 spokes. Oops, sorry, look at the back. It's kind of a license plate. Lensed taillights. We also get these, let's focus, these mud flaps down here. A real beauty. And by the way, as you can see, this guy only has one side mirror, and that is not an issue. It hasn't fallen off. There was a time when a second a second mirror was an option, and you had to pay extra. I mean, this is a rally car, I know about that, but look right here. Oops. This was the first version that Mini GT brought out, which is like the road legal version, and it also came with only one side mirror. And there were many more cars in these times that only had one mirror. Yeah, very nice casting, but yeah, this rally version is just fantastic, in my opinion. A quick check if this one is a roller. Okay. Backwards a little. Well, forward doesn't roll really good, but yeah. We don't really care, as this is a car for display, and yeah, there's one left. The Nissan Skyline GTR M-Spec Silica Breath number 348. So yeah, most cars we've seen today came with a lot of deco. This one here is very clean. Yeah, and like a, what's that? Gold, light golden livery. Coming with lensed headlights, 6 spokes, lensed taillights, Nice wing, GTR license plate. You also can see the heating wires. Here on the rear window. Well, I'm not 100% sure. Is this how it's supposed to be? That there are no heating wires in this area? This is a flaw. I don't know, to be honest. Right-hand drive version, by the way. And yeah. Well, these Mini GTs don't have any opening parts normally. But yeah, I have to say I prefer more details. I prefer the accuracy and the quality of this brand. I think it's more important than any opening part. So yeah, let's put the rotator to the side and let's group our Mini GTs together. Here we are, bring the camera back a little. So yeah, I mean, it's hard to say. I'm not really sure which one is my favorite of these five. Really hard to say. I really like them all. I think it's a Porsche because of this really nice interior. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you did like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I say thank you for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time. Bye.